Hello, this is Tarek from Funnel Care. I'm going to show you how to set up this headline typewriter animation feature. Using this code, you can easily show your product feature with a typed animation, or you can show your custom message to your visitors. So let's see how we can use this code. Just from here, just copy this code and paste it inside any of your text editor. Then from here you can say typed headline where it says let typed headline. So those are your headlines, and my code is going to use a typed animation using those headline text. So from here you can say inside those double quote, those are my headlines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headlines. So if you want to add more, just add a comma, then double quotes, then add your headline here. You can add as many headline as you want. So all you need to do is just add a comma, then add double quotes and paste your text inside these double quotes. So that's all. Then inside page editors, so this is my headline element. So click on your headline element settings, click on advanced. You need to add a custom class. Add a custom class of FC-typewriter, TYPEWRITER, FC-typewriter. Hit enter. As I've already added this custom class, I'm just showing you how you're going to add this custom class. Then, so from here you can see this is my static headline. Then just add another word. So from here you can see stack. So this is just a dummy word. Make sure to underline your dummy word, and using this underlined placeholder, my code will add those typed headline here. So let's just add a new headline. So let's say large call to action. Then excuse me. So this is your dummy text here, where make sure to underline this. So this dummy text will be replaced with my code by my code, and your typed headline animation will be here. Just replacing this dummy text. So all you need to do is just add a placeholder, just any text, and underline this word. That's all. And make sure to add a custom class of FC-typewriter. Then copy paste this code inside tracking code here, tracking code, footer tracking code. Just paste and save your page, and everything will work fine. And it will work something like this based on your text. That's all. Thank you. Let me know if you face any issues, and I'll be able to fix.